guys, so welcome to day 4 of 21 days Sepedi challenge. So today we're going to be doing some of the useful expressions in Sepedi that we can use in your everyday life. So without a waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first one we have I am tired. So I am tired means ke lapile. I am tired. Ke lapile. The next one we have I am sleepy. So I am sleepy means ke swere ke boroko. I am sleepy. Ke swere ke boroko. So the next one we have I am hungry, which means ke swere ke tlala. I am hungry. Ke swere ke tlala. So the next one we have I am not hungry, which means ga se ka swara ke tlala. I am not hungry. Ga se ka swara ke tlala. So the next one we have where are you going, which means uya kae. Where are you going? Uya kae. Uya kae. The next one we have when are you coming, which means utla neng. When are you coming? Utla neng. When are you coming? Utla neng. So the next one we have where is James, which means James ukae. Where is James? James ukae. Next one we have I don't drink tea, which means ga ke nwe tee. I don't drink tea. Ga ke nwe tee. So the next one we have I am learning Sepedi, which means ke ithuta Sepedi. I am learning Sepedi. Ke ithuta Sepedi. I am a Sepedi speaker. Ke nna mmoledi wa Sepedi. I need to rest or I need some rest, which means ke nyaka go khutsa. I need some rest. Ke nyaka go khutsa. I need some rest. Ke nyaka go khutsa. So the next one we have she is studying, which means o a ithuta. She is studying. O a ithuta. The next one we have is becoming late, which means goba boshego. Is becoming late. Goba boshego. Next one we have time is up. So time is up means nako e fedile. Time is up. Nako e fedile. So the next one we have I am thirsty. So I am thirsty means ke swere ke lenyora. I am thirsty. Ke swere ke lenyora. The next one we have I do not understand. I do not understand means ga ke kwishishi. I do not understand. Ga ke kwishishi. The next one we have speak slowly, which means bolela ka go iketla. Speak slowly. Bolela ka go iketla. Speak slowly. Bolela ka go iketla. The next one we have do you have a problem, which means na una le bothata. Do you have a problem? Una le bothata. And then we have no, I do not have a problem, which means awa ga ke ne bothata. No, I do not have a problem. Awa ga ke ne bothata. Another one we have do you have any questions, which means una le dipotšišo tše dingwe. Do you have any questions? Una le dipotšišo tše dingwe. So the last one we have thank you, which means ke ya leboga. Thank you, ke ya leboga. So that's it for our D4 of 21 Sepedi challenge. So don't forget I have online one-to-one tutoring for